I'm Dr. Andrea Shanowski from Align Life of Peoria in the Metro Center, and I am here today to talk to those of you who are sitting at a desk, standing at a desk all day long, because let's face it, when we are stuck at a desk, stuck in a chair all day, we don't always use the best posture, and we don't always take frequent breaks to stretch. We always have a lot of stress on our plate, and we may be having very poor quality lunches, and maybe even skipping snacks or having very poor quality snacks that typically come out of a vending machine. So I want to talk to you a little bit more about wellness inside of a workplace, because let's face it, when you're at work, you would love if your employers and your health department and your human resources department will help you get healthier. So what we can do, a lot of times Align Life, we're able to come to your workplaces. We do chair massages in the office so you guys all get a little relaxation throughout the day. We can do that on a monthly basis. We can do it on a quarterly basis, a yearly basis, whatever works for your office. We can also come in and teach you guys how to sit at your desk appropriately. And we can show you some ergonomic things that you can do to rearrange your desk, use your mouse, use your keyboard, use your phone a little bit differently so you're protecting yourself. And then we can also help with even stretches and things and exercises you could do throughout the day to help prevent things like headaches, back pain, sciatica, even issues with other problems like smoking. If you're wanting to quit smoking, we can come in and do a lunch and learn lecture, or even do a health fair talking a little bit more about how we can help naturally with smoking, helping you digest your food better, have more energy, lose some weight, reduce your stress levels, and even talk a little bit more about how we can help fix hormones. So if you have a wellness department, if you have a human resources department that is not helping you to get healthier, have them give me a call. Dr. Andrea Shanowski from Align Life. Our phone number is 309-689-6200. I would love to sit down with them, have a meeting, and talk a little bit more about how we can help small, medium, and even larger businesses embrace wellness in the workplace and change your morale so that you love coming to work and hopefully get you away from your desk a little bit more frequently.